Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change between the night and day modes on your Mibao G2 camera. And to do this, first you'll need to add the camera to your app, and we've shown you how to do it in our previous video. So right here, click on the settings button for the camera, navigate down to find the image settings, enter night vision mode, and here you can either use automatic mode so that the camera will adjust the color of the image for a specific time of day. That means when it's sunny and you can see anything outside, or when it's night and the screen will turn on night vision mode. And so here also you can change to day mode only, and it will only record in daylight and also in the night mode. So now it's turned on and always uses the night vision. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.